First of all, it is necessary to build an adequate and positive climate. First of all, it is necessary to build an adequate and positive climate, with the awareness of how the atmosphere that characterizes the class affects the quality of learning of all students. Among the inclusive strategies, a leading role is certainly played by collaborative teaching, cognitive and metacognitive education, social-emotional education, and information and communication technologies. The attention to the collaborative construction of knowledge, exalted in recent years by constructivism, has appropriately led to emphasizing the role that interactions between peers can play in favoring learning, even with students who have special educational needs. The main strategies based on these principles are peer tutoring and cooperative learning. The category of cognitive and metacognitive strategies includes all those didactic approaches aimed at teaching how to learn, which are based on the enhancement of cognitive functions and on the student's awareness. That are procedures such as self-regulation, memorization strategies, reciprocal teaching, metacognitive teaching, the education of executive functions, the flipped classroom. The creation of a positive climate, the possibility of establishing adequate relationships and collaborations inside and outside the classroom. The availability towards others also depends on the adequate management of the emotional dimension of the person, which, together with the more purely cognitive one, regulates, directs, and controls the behavior of each individual. An important role as a support for promoting inclusive teaching can also be played by new information and communication technologies, which can perform both the function of enabling them to carry out basic activities for the school experience, which otherwise could not be performed by some students with disabilities, both to support an advanced didactic planning for the whole class, to the use of didactic software, and the didactic use of all available technologies in terms of software, hardware, and the potential of the network.